You already leaving? Cole Walt said, yeah, dude, I heard there was a big no prep at XRP. Brian, one time, but one time.
I hope there's
Nick scarred you. My boy Nick. Imagine him in the NBA. Coming up next to the floor, we have Nick scarred you. Out of Australia. Oh yeah, that's what they'll say. Coming up next from Australia, we have Nick Scaraju. Let me see, Ligma. Is it taco time? No, not yet. Cologne R, dang, that's a ars, dang man, I don't know why, arsenics.
arsenic.
Man, I don't even know how to.
That's a poison, bro.
Oh,
they're trying to kill you or some shit?
Nah, that's his last name.
Oh.
Torn. What? Ralph Yorkers. Euchers? Is there Euchers?
Yeah, I said Euchers.
Ralph Euchers. Let me see.
Yeah, there's a whole fucking hook there. They need to cut that.
Push Rod Garage in the building, y'all. For all my people that's watching on Facebook that might be new, it show better on my YouTube channel. It shows even better on my YouTube channel. It shows even better. Let me see what else I'm gonna say.
9, 2, and 11 outlaws. So he was trying to break out.
Happy single. Hola, hola, hola. Let me see some. Video got a little misfire, yeah. Baby. Oh, snap. Where y'all going? We got a fox body. I'm in a coyote, y'all. Ooh. Where y'all going? This thing here be leaving hard. Oh, my bad. Where y'all going, y'all? We got big blocks. Hey, truck leaving. All-wheel drive, y'all. Truck all-wheel drive. He ain't getting out them gates.
Drink every time now, bro. The rings, dude.
I don't know. I'm just gonna be there.
Yeah.
I don't got one I want to bet on.
No. Classes they were racing, it didn't look like anything crazy. Normally I used to see like 10,000, 5,000 in the big ones. It was like $1,000 or 1,200 on top. Which I mean that's a lot of money to me, but I don't know how much that's.
Arsenukes. Oh, Callum, he just switched over from Facebook to YouTube, and he said YouTube is better. You can see the difference, y'all. Okay, they giving him the back tire, y'all. Y'all still betting with the car? He get the back tire. Here it come, y'all. He finna leave up out them gates. Left lane, still went around him.
I drove that car.
You like that?
I didn't like it as much as he probably does now. That just scares me a little bit. I'm
Nick Scarage, you.
quick. I'll tell you that right now.
Nick Scarage, you said. Nick Scarage, you say he want me to do an Australian. Oh shit, that bitch looked like it was coming his way.
All right, we got some drag guys down here, man. They're coming up with an Australian accent. Sounds like, oh, look out, racing.
Nick Scarage, you. Hey, come over to my YouTube channel, Nick.
What do you think of
Left lane got that little thing running.
He was kicking the side of that bike like a horse. It wasn't going anywhere.
Dang, that thing never running. Hey, I'm trying to figure out, Nick Scarage, you say he want me to do a Australian impersonation.